So here we have a REDMOND electric food processor. This is a 8-cup capacity food chopper and it has the capability with a special attachment to be a garlic peeler. It has 2 speeds, a 350 watt motor, and 4 S-shaped stainless steel blades. You could use 1 pair blades or 2 pair blades depending on your chopping needs. And this provides hands-free and saves time and say goodbye to wrist pain. You can easily grind meat, onions, garlic, cabbage, potatoes, etc. Ice. You can make ice cream, smoothies, iced coffee. It just makes the task of cutting food made super easy and convenient. My favorite part of this is that the bowl is real glass and everything's easy to disassemble and clean because of overheat protection. So use it for 30 seconds at a time and wait 1 minute before you use it again. But this thing's so powerful that all you need is about 15 seconds to get most of your chopping needs done. So level 1 is for soft food and level 2 is for harder food like carrots, meat, and beans. And it's really plug and play and as easy as it looks here in the video. And add this to your kitchen and work smarter and not harder.